You did what?
I saved the best for last.
What is that?
This is critical mass, also known as Korath. This is they also live on the Cyraxian planet.
Where you get the name Corey?
Well, I originally I made that up first. I didn't really get it from not from nobody or anything in particular. But they're very giant. They're huge. And they live in the city where the Cyraxians live at, but they have their own city since they're so big. But they're really ectoplasmic beings, and these are their biomechanical suits. They can't really talk because they use mental telepathy. So these are their biomechanical suits. And these are their weapons. Here's a flamethrower, a laser blaster, or also a shield, a thick metal, which is which can if missiles can't damage it, and he can block with them. Saw blades, or these pop off, and since those are flamethrowers right there, then this automatically turns into a light. It automatically turns into a lightweight metal, so propelling itself and also balancing it well in the air, so it turns into a spear. And this which looks like fire is really metal design, crafted by blacksmiths, by Korathian blacksmiths. And it propels itself through the air and turns into a big spear.
It's cool.
And and these are also blades. See, at first, and this doesn't come with a manual either. At first, this was another Cyraxian car, but then I started building onto it, and then I ended up coming out with this formula right here, this solution right here. You'll see that that was like the seat right there. See where the seat is? At first this wasn't here, but the person could sit down up in there and drive. Because at first it looked more like some type of a car or something. But then I ended up building onto it, and it turned out to be this critical mass. And this is all his armor right here. And these right here, other attachments can be installed on here, but this is very thick metal. And he uses that to block, or either as an attack. He can either hit someone with that, hit with heavy metal, or he can attack with these weapons right here, these blades, or this can fire off like a missile or something, or even just a blade. He can also fly with these flamethrowers. You can also use those to fly. The Korathians are also great climbers.
That's neat.
Thank you, Daddy.